Hi there, my name's Jonathan Leeming. I'm a best-selling author, I'm an award-winning conservationist, and an international speaker. The miracle of nature is that whenever there has been a challenge, there is an organism which has found a way to conquer it. Want to live a life of zero waste? Nature has done it. Want to live in a desert with no water? Nature has done it. Want to live a more meaningful and prosperous life? Nature has done it. There are just over 8.7 million described plants and animals on Earth, which are essentially individual science experiments, perpetually testing out new ways of doing things in order to find a better way. Since we all live under the same laws of nature and under the same conditions of planet Earth, it makes sense that we learn from the inner workings of the natural world to overcome the challenges of modern life. A Biomimicry Workshop is based on the content of my award-winning book, One World. The workshop examines those aspects of the natural world that we are so familiar with and uncovers the genius of nature through highlighting the extraordinary in the ordinary. The workshop begins with an exploration of the environment by examining common aspects and what can we learn from them. We'll be looking at these aspects in terms of how they are formed, how they function, and how they are part of the system. And it's these three levels of biomimicry that can help us overcome the challenges of our time. After the walk, we'll find a place for an interactive workshop, which is going to explore the question, what can we learn from nature to live happier, healthier, and more meaningful lives? If you've ever wondered why flowers are always clean, how nature deals with waste, how spiders are going to change the face of society forever, then you don't want to miss the Biomimicry Workshop. To find out when the next Biomimicry Workshop is being held and links to online bookings, then go to www.scorpions.co.za/events. If you've got your own group or would like to arrange an event for your organization, then send me an email at info@jonathanleeming.com and let's make it happen.